All right. First fish in the new kayak. Oh, this is a good one too. Nice.
I went down to the river, I fell on my knees, I bathed in the muddy water, set my soul free. And my blue, all my blue, were washed away. And my blue,
nice fish. It's like third cast.
were washed away.
What's up, YouTube? It's JL Folks from Road Angler TV, and guess what day it is? It is new kayak day. I ordered a brand new Seaghost 110 from Vibe. This is my second Seaghost I've owned. I love that boat. I wanted to get another one. The thing's a tank, and I ordered the smoke color. So we're gonna go pick it up at the Vibe warehouse, and then we're gonna go get on the water out on Percy Priest Lake. So stay tuned. All right, guys, here we go. Got the Seaghost 110 in the packaging. I'm about to tear it open and then put it on the roof and head to the lake. Here we go. Here is the Seaghost 110 in smoke. This thing looks awesome. I have to say, this is one of my favorite colors for this kayak. Wanted to get the white for winter. Thought that'd be kind of cool. But got the Versa console, got the seat in the packaging here. The handles are inside the kayak, so I'll have to grab them and install them. Got the rudder there, got all the paperwork. Now I'm gonna get this thing on the roof and head to the lake. Stay tuned.
All right, guys, here we are out on the water on Percy Priest Lake in the new kayak. Really digging the smoke color, and I've always loved the Seaghost 110. I've thought this is an awesome kayak. I think it's a lot of fun to take down the river, on the lake. It's real stable, like the way it turns. It's just a cool boat. But we're gonna get to fishing, see if we can catch some fish. So some of you might be wondering why I didn't get the new Vibe Shearwater 125, and to be honest with all of you, I wish I could have got it. I think it's an awesome kayak. I think it's one of the coolest Vibe kayaks there is. But unfortunately, I think it's too big of a boat for me, and it's gonna be too difficult to car top it on my minivan, because I already kind of struggle with my Yellowfin 120 and my Seaghost. So I think the Shearwater would have been much harder, being a couple feet longer and a lot wider and a lot heavier than these two kayaks. So that's pretty much the only reason why I didn't get the Shearwater. I may get it down the road, might not, we'll see. But I think I'm gonna end up getting the Vibe Maverick eventually when they come back in stock. But for now, I'll use the Seaghost and the Yellowfin 120. This water's super high. I think it's up like 4 or 5 feet. We got a bunch of rain, and then they didn't let it out of the dam. I guess they just started. It looked like the dam was letting out water today, but it is like way flooded and way higher than it usually is. So not sure how good the fishing is going to be today. I was out yesterday out on a boat filming for a video, but we hardly got anything, so I didn't even make a video. But out here again today, see what happens. I have to start cranking here in a little bit, see if that'll work. fish in the new kayak. Woo! All right. First fish in the new kayak. Oh, this is a good one too. Nice. Heck yeah, man. I really stuck him. Good fish. All right, that's like a solid 3. Solid 3-pounder. There we go. Oh, they're munching today. That's a pretty good fish. Let's see what he measures. He's probably, let's see, 17 inches. Or 16 3/4. 16 and a half, probably. Yep, not a bad fish. We're going to let him go. Nice fish to start the day. Caught him right up on that wall. Thanks for letting me go, JL. Thanks for letting me go. See you later, buddy. Alright. First fish in the new kayak. I will take it. Crankbait I just found, guys. It's not a bad crankbait. There we go. We might tie that on here in a little bit. Heck yeah. Score.
Alright guys, just getting off the water. I had a fun day of fishing. Kind of slow, but I did catch that one fish. It was about 17 inches. Probably about a 3-4 pound bass. Fought good. It was a nice catch. Awesome time on the new Sea Ghost. You know, I'm very familiar with the Sea Ghost. This is the second one I've had, and I love it. I love that kayak. It's one of my favorites from Vibe, and I'm glad I got another one because I missed my Sea Ghost, and looking for many really good days on the water this winter and this fall. So really happy to have that kayak again. But anyways, thanks for watching the video. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
She's never gonna leave my side.